Revision. Okay, today we'll do the revision. I'm going to show the two video parts in that simple explanation, and then revision we will do. Let me share my screen. Subject EVS 2, Environmental Studies 2. Lesson number 3, Maratha Sardars, the famous house of the Bhosles. Revision part. Today is revision. Already I've explained you this lesson. Today we'll do the revision. Before that, short and simple explanation. The brave Maratha Sardars. Let us see who were the brave Maratha Sardars. Jadavs of Sindhkhed. Brave Maratha Sardars, Jadavs of Sindhkhed. Nimbalkars of Fulton. Nimbalkars of Fulton. Ghorpades of Mudhol. Ghorpades of Mudhol. Mores of Jawali. Mores of Jawali. And Bhosles of Verul. Bhosles of Verul. Maratha Sardars. The brave Maratha Sardars, Jadavs of Sindhkhed, Nimbalkars of Fulton, Ghorpades of Mudhol, Mores of Jawali, and Bhosles of Verul. The famous house of Bhosles. Bhosles family. So this also I have explained you with the help of Bhosles family chart. That is Shivaji Maharaj family chart. So let us see. Babaji Raje Bhosle. Babaji Raje Bhosle was who? Patil of Verul village. Babaji Raje Bhosle was the Patil of Verul village. Bhosles of Verul was having two sons. How many sons? Two sons. The elder son was Maloji Raje Bhosle. Babaji Raje Bhosle was having two sons. The elder son was Maloji Raje Bhosle. Maloji Raje Bhosle married to Umabai. Now, Umabai was from the famous brave Maratha Sardar family, that was Nimbalkar of Fulton. And younger son Vithoji Raje Bhosle. Again I repeat, Babaji Raje Bhosle, Patil of Verur village, was having two sons. The elder son Maloji Raje Bhosle, the younger son Vithoji Raje Bhosle. Maloji Raje Bhosle married to Umabai. She was from the famous house of Maratha Sardar Nimbalkar of Fulton. Then Maloji Raje Bhosle also have two sons, Shaji Raje Bhosle and Sharif Ji Raje Bhosle. Maloji Raje Bhosle also have two sons, Shaji Raje Bhosle, Sharif Ji Raje Bhosle. Now Shaji Raje Bhosle married to Jijabai. Shaji Raje Bhosle married to Jijabai. Jijabai was from The brave Maratha, famous Maratha Sardar, who? Jadavs of Sindhkhed. Jadavs of Sindhkhed. And who was the father of Jijabai? Lakuji Rao Jadav. Lakuji Rao Jadav of Sindhkhed. So Shaji Raje married to Jijabai and they got a son named Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. So this was the family chart. I've showed you previous also. So this is once again I'm doing the revision. Babaji Raje Bhosle, Patil of Verul village, was having two sons, Maloji Raje Bhosle and Vithoji Raje Bhosle. Maloji Raje Bhosle married to Umabai Nimbalkar of Fulton. Then they got two sons, Shaji Raje Bhosle and Sharifji Raje Bhosle. Shaji Raje Bhosle married to Jijabai. She was from the famous Maratha Sardars Jadavs of Sindhkhed. And Jijabai's father was Lakuji Rao Jadav. And they got a son, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Means Shivaji Maharaj, father Shaji Raje Bhosle, mother Jijabai, uncle Sharifji Raje. So this was the basic important about the brave Maratha Sardars and the famous house of the Bhosle's family. Now I will show you two videos, part 1 and part 2 of this lesson explanation. Okay, just see and listen carefully. Then we will do the revision. Very good. Okay, then I will ask you questions. Very good. Those who have understood Brave Maratha Sardar. So let me share my screen. Okay. Subject EVS 2. Chapter number 3. Maratha Sardars, the famous house of the Bhosles. Good day, students. In the previous lesson, we have studied about various saints of Maharashtra and their teachings. In this chapter, we will learn about various Maratha Sardars and the famous house of the Bhosles. Today, we are going to study about the Maratha Sardars of Maharashtra who were working in the kingdom of Adil Shah and Nizam Shah. Among all the Sardars, the Bhosles of Verul were very brave. The period of unrest. Students, here the meaning of unrest means the dissatisfaction. The saints preached devotion to God to the people living in Maharashtra. But at the same time, the brave Maratha Sardars started showing their bravery. The Sultans Adil Shah of Bijapur and Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar were constantly fighting among themselves, and they involved the armies of Maratha Sardars in their war. This created the period of unrest in Maharashtra. The brave Maratha Sardars. The Maratha Sardars were brave, means ready to face any danger situation. Tough, which means strong. Fearless, which means they were not scared of anyone, and also they were loyal to their masters, which means they were honest. All the Maratha Sardars had their own private armies, and their armies was used by the two sultans, for the sultan gave him employment, made him a sardar of his kingdom, and sometimes conferred upon him jagir. The Sardars who received such a Jagir considered himself a Raja. Famous Sardars at the court of Bijapur and Ahmednagar were Jadavs of Sindhkhed, Nimbalkars of Fulton, Ghorpades of Mudhol, Mores of Jawali, Bhosles of Verul. There were many famous Maratha Sardars at the court of Adil Shah and Nizam Shah. But the more famous among them were these five Sardars. Shivaji's mother Jijabai was the daughter of Lakujirao Jadhav of Sindhkhed. Tradition of valor. Children, here the meaning of valor means a great courage in the face of danger, especially in battlefield. The Sardars were enemies of each other. They always kept them fighting with each other. They never thought that we are so brave and we have tough army with us. And instead we should come together and fight against the sultans and defeat them. The Sardars never thought of doing something good for their own people. Their great courage in battle and bravery was served in the interest of sultans. While doing this, one good thing was done by these Sardars, which was they created warlike spirit among the young. The young Marathas were ready to give up their life in the battle. Among the famous families of the Sardars, the Bhosles of Verul showed great bravery. The Temple of Grushneshwar. The Temple of Grushneshwar is located at Aurangabad in the state of Maharashtra. It was about 400 years ago. The temple of Grushneshwar was falling into pieces and had developed cracks in the wall. The priest who was looking after the temple also ran away due to the bad condition of the temple. It was neglected by the devotee and felt sorry looking at the bad condition of the temple, and no one thought of repairing it. But one day, a great devotee of Shiva who visited the temple regularly to put flowers and a bale on the lingam saw the bad condition of the temple and thought of repairing the temple and bring it back to its original condition. Now there were lights both inside and outside the temple. Who was this great devotee? Who did all this? He was Maloji Raje Bhosle. All for the continuation of chapter number 3. The Bhosles of Verul. Babaji Bhosle had two sons, Maloji and Vithoji. Both were very brave. Maloji Raje was the elder son and Vithoji Raje was the younger son. Babaji Bhosle was the Patil of Verul. They had in their service many armed Maratha troops, which means these Maratha army had their own armed force. During that time, there were constant war among the people. The Mughal emperor from Delhi had attacked the kingdom of Nizam Shah, and at that time Daulatabad was the capital of Nizam Shahi. Malik Amber was the Wazir of Nizam Shah. Children, here Wazir means Mantri or the advisor of the Raja. Malik Amber was a wise man. He saw the bravery of two brothers, Maloji Raje and Vithoji Raje, and he went and told about their bravery to Nizam Shah. Nizam Shah was looking forward for such people who can fight with the Mughals. Nizam Shah made both the brothers Sardars at his court and conferred him the Jagir of Supe and Pune Parganas. On receiving such a big Jagir, the Bhosles became rich and powerful. Maloji Raje's wife Uma Bai was the daughter of Nimbalkar of Fulton. Maloji Raje Bhosle had two sons, Shaji Raje and Sharifji. When Shaji Raje was 5 years old, that time his father Maloji Raje died in the battle of Indapur. After the death of his father, Vithoji Raje looked after the two children and their Jagir. Few days later, Vithoji Raje asked Shaji Raje to get married to Jijabai, who was the daughter of Lakujirao Jadhav. Lakujirao Jadhav was also one of the brave Maratha Sardars in the court of Nizam Shah. He was highly respected in the court of Nizam Shah. He celebrated the wedding of Shaji Raje and Jijabai with great pomp. Jijabai became the fortune of Bhosle's family. Shaji Raje. After the death of Maloji Raje, Nizam Shah transferred the Jagir upon Shaji Raje. Shaji Raje was brave and had great respect in the kingdom of Nizam Shah. Mughal Emperor of Delhi decided to win over the kingdom of Nizam Shah, and in this Adil Shah was also in the sight of Mughal Emperor. Because of this, there was increase in their army force. To save the Nizam Shahi, Kingdom Wazir Malik Ambir and Shaji Raje fought very bravely. The battle took place at Bhatwari near Ahmednagar. The battle was won by Nizam Shahi kingdom, but Shaji Raje's younger brother Sharifji Raje was killed in the battle. Shaji Raje showed great courage while fighting the battle, and for which Shaji Raje was praised as a great general. His work was praised everywhere in the kingdom of Nizam Shah, for which Malik Ambar started getting jealous on him, and the enmity between two started increasing. Looking at this, Shaji Raje left the kingdom of Nizam Shah and joined the court of Adil Shah. Adil Shah honored him with the title of Sar Lashkar, which means the chief of army. Later, there were many developments in Nizam Shahi. The Wazir Malik Ambir died and his son Fateh Khan became the Wazir of Nizam Shah. During the rule of Fateh Khan, the kingdom of Nizam Shah declined, and again the Mughal emperor started attacking the kingdom of Nizam Shah. So, to save Nizam Shahi, Nizam Shah's mother made an appeal, means request to Shaji Raje to return and save it. Therefore, Shaji Raje left Adil Shahi and returned back to Nizam Shahi. So, children, this was a short explanation again of lesson number 3. So, now we will do the revision of objectives and question answers. Okay, good. So, let me share my screen. Children, my document is not coming. Just wait. Okay, let it be. I will share my screen. Lesson 3, Maratha Sardars, the famous house of the Bhosles. We are going to start the revision. I'll ask you the question. You just see whether you are saying right answer or wrong. And then I will tick the correct answer. Okay. Dash became the Jagirdar of Pune and Supe Parganas. Dash became the Jagirdar of Pune and Supe Parganas. Children, just you write the answer. I cannot see what you're writing, but you only check whether you have written right or wrong. Okay. Dash became the Jagirdar of Pune and Supe Parganas. What is the answer? Maloji Raje. So you can see those who have written Maloji Raje means they have written corrected. And those who have not written means they have written wrong. And it is not possible to say everybody's name. And I cannot see the chat box. So we will do the revision this way today. Shaji married Dash, daughter of Lakuji Rao Jadhav, and got the Jagir transferred from Maloji Raje. Shaji Raje married to Jijabai. Yes, those who have written Jijabai and see the spellings also, they have written correct. Shaji Raje left Nizam Shahi and joined the court of Adil Shah at Bijapur. Here he got the title. Here he got the title. What is that title? It is also said Chief of Army. What title Shaji Raje got when he left Nizam Shahi and came to Adil Shah? Adil Shah is honored with the title. Yes, I hope you all have written right, Sir Lashkar. Maloji Raje married Umabai. She was from the house of Nimbalkars of Fulton and had two sons. Maloji Raje married Umabai and they had two sons. Who were the two sons? The names of the two sons were Shahji and Sharifji. Battle of Dash between the Mughal emperor and the kingdom of Nizam Shah took place. Unfortunately, Sharifji died in this battle. So children, what is your answer? Battle of Dash between the Mughal emperor and the kingdom of Nizam Shah took place. Unfortunately, Sharifji died in this battle. Battle of Bhatwari. Just see if you have written right, means you can give yourself marks. You can check yourself how much right and how much wrong you're writing, and spellings also. Nizam Shah began to decline, that is to decrease. So the Nizam Shah's dash appealed to Shahji to save it. Hence, Shahji returned to Nizam Shah. So what is your answer, children? You have written, I hope, and now you check your answer. Mother. Nizam Shah began to decline. So the Nizam Shah's mother appealed to Shahji to save it. Hence, Shahji returned to Nizam Shah. Okay, next question. Again, fill in the blanks. The Maratha Sardars started a tradition of dash. The Maratha Sardars started a tradition of dash. The Maratha Sardars started the tradition of bravery. Spelling also check whether you have written right or wrong. Come on. Give yourself marks. The Marathas were fearless and dashed to their masters. The Marathas were fearless and dashed to their masters. Loyal. I hope you all have written right answer. Good. Loyal. Shivaji's mother was called dash. Very simple and very easy. Spelling also, I hope everyone should write correct. Shivaji's mother was called Jijabai. Jijabai. The Sardar who received a Jagir considered himself a dash. A Sardar who received Jagir considered himself a, very simple, yes, Raja. The temple of Dash near the Verul caves was falling to pieces. The temple of Dash near the Verul caves was falling to pieces. Spellings. Spelling you have to see of this temple. Yes, children, I hope you have written. Now check your answer. Grushneshwar. Grushneshwar spelling. See. Grushneshwar. Grushneshwar. Now we'll do true or false. Nizam Shah of Bijapur and Adil Shah of Ahmednagar were constantly at war with each other, whether it is true or false. It is false. Next, seventh one. Jijabai, the mother of Shivaji Maharaj, was the daughter of Lakujirao Jadhav of Sindhkhet. Jijabai, the mother of Shivaji Maharaj, was the daughter of Lakujirao Jadhav of Sindhkhet. True or false? What is your answer? What you have written? Just check it out. True. It is true. Yes. She was the daughter of Lakujirao Jadhav of Sindhkhet. Eighth one. Among the famous families, the Nimbalkars of Fulton showed great bravery and enterprise. Among the famous families, the Nimbalkars of Fulton showed great bravery and enterprise. Answer is false. Who showed great bravery? Bhosles. Nizam Shah transferred to Shaji Raje the Jagir he had conferred on Vittoji Raje. Nizam Shah transferred to Shaji Raje the Jagir he had conferred on Vittoji Raje. Answer is false. Daulatabad was the capital of Nizam Shah. Check your answer, children. True. Daulatabad was the capital of Nizam Shah. Who restored the temple of Grushneshwar to its original condition? Now, I hope here I should ask someone the answer. Okay, children, objectives over. Now, I think I should ask you question answer. But before that, I will share one document. Yes, this hard word that day, many children have not noted down. So those who have not noted down, please note it down. That day I told you, I will again show you the hard words. You can note it down. Either take the screenshot or write it. I'll give 2 minutes. Whether better it is remove the screenshot and then afterwards you can write. Many children have not noted that they hard words. So please, those who have not noted down, please note it down. Many children asked me that they know hard words. Miss, we have not noted. So please note it down. That day our time was up and then we have to leave. So note it down now. You want me to repeat words one time? Yes, Vedant, Sutar, correct. And today I'm not going to take the names. If we are taking the names, no, then time is not there and we cannot complete our revision. Okay. So I hope all are giving me correct answer. Now here hard words one time I will repeat. Miserable, ancestor, wicked, inspiration, courageous, regime, guidance, prestigious, deputed, govern, efficient, attained, glimpse, future, swaraj, suitable, grievance, inflict, bright, saibai, splendor, monarchy, watandars, Hindavi, Adil Shah, Nizam Shah, Maharashtra, medieval, oppressed, Shivaji Maharaj. I hope everybody has noted down or removed the screenshot. So I'll stop sharing my screen now. Okay, now I'll ask one question. Those who know the answer, please raise the hand. Then I will tell Savita, ask the host to unmute that child. Okay. Okay, lower all hands now. When I will ask you that time, you will only raise your hand. Don't raise now. First, let me ask the question. Yes. Who restored the temple of Grushneshwar to its original condition? Who restored the temple of Grushneshwar to its original condition? Those who know the answer, they will only raise the hand. Arya, Manoj, then who is this? Okay, we'll select one child who can tell the answer. Okay. What is the question? Again, I will repeat. Who restored the temple of Grushneshwar to its original condition? So let me select one child. Bhavya Gupta, 4th A. Bhavya Gupta, 4th A. Hello, Bhavya. Bhavya, I have unmuted you. Yes, Bhavya, please tell the answer.
Maloji Raje.
This way, it is question answer. How you should answer? I have asked you question. So how you should give me the answer?
Maloji Raje restored the temple of Grushneshwar.
Yes, Maloji Raje Bhosle restored the temple of Grushneshwar to its original condition. Okay. Now next question. Next question. Which Jagir was bestowed upon Maloji Raje by Nizam Shah? Which Jagir was bestowed upon Maloji Raje by Nizam Shah. We'll select one child. Those who know the answer, please raise your hand. Yes, Krutarth. Come on, give the answer. Which Jagir was bestowed upon Maloji Raje by Nizam Shah?
Pune and Super Parganas Jahangir was
Were bestowed
to Shahaji Raje by Nizam Shah.
Yes, okay, correct. Next question. See, children, if it is not possible that I can ask all the children, those who are raising, this is just a revision part. So randomly, with any name I'm selecting and asking the answers. Okay. Okay. Now, why did Shaji Raje leave Adil Shahi and returned to Nizam Shahi? First, only your hands are raised up. You all are not listening the question or what? Why did Shaji Raje leave Adil Shahi and return to Nizam Shahi? Atharva Bhoir, come on. I have selected you. Come on, Atharva Bhoir. Atharva Bhoir, you can hear me? Yes, you know the answer. Please say. Okay, leave it. Ananya Kadam. Ananya Kadam.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you can tell this answer, beta. Why did
Yes.
Shaji Raje leave Adil Shah and return to Nizam Shah? Yes, beta, say. Come on.
What question?
Why did Shaji Raje leave Adil Shahi and return to Nizam Shahi?
During Fateh Khan's period, the Nizam Shah began to decline.
Yes.
There was also a
Threat.
threat of Mughal aggression.
Yes. Correct.
Nizam Shah's mother appealed to Shaji Raje to return and save Nizam Shah.
Very good. Correct answer. So next question. Next question I'm asking. Jijabai became the fortune of the Bhosle family. Explain. Jijabai became the fortune of the Bhosle family. Explain. Aman, come on. Say this answer. Yes, Aman. Come on, unmute yourself. Aman gone. Yasashri, you will say. Come on, Yasashri. Say this answer.
Jijabai, Lakhojirao Jadhav's daughter, was well favored by the gods. Jijabai married to Shaji Raje, so she became the fortune of the Bhosle's family.
Very good. Very good. Mute yourself. Yashashri, mute yourself. Yes. So again, we'll continue in the next session. Some more revision of lesson 4 first, and then lesson 5, and Then if the time is there, we'll do hard words and all. Okay. So I hope you all are learning. Exams are coming. That is on 23rd August. So you all should learn. So for next session, keep ready with lesson number 4. Okay. All should learn, and spellings also. Please write and learn and write spellings. Spellings are very tough. You have to always revise the spellings. Huh? So next session, Shivaji's childhood, short explanation, short revision, and then I will ask you. Okay. So children, I think you all are doing well. Huh? All should do also. Yes. So bye bye. Have a nice day.